Seniors, 6 collagen-rich foods for joint pain relief. If you're dealing with joint pain or arthritis, you're not alone. Many folks suffer from stiffness and discomfort that mess with their daily routines. One natural way to help your joints is by upping your collagen intake. Collagen is a key protein in your body that keeps joints flexible and cushions them from wear and tear. While supplements can work, you can also get collagen from everyday foods. In this video, I'll share how collagen-rich foods for joint pain relief can really boost your joint health and get you moving easier. Why collagen matters for joints. Collagen is like the glue holding your body together, especially in joints, tendons, and ligaments. As we get older, our bodies make less of it, leading to aches and stiffness. That's why arthritis hits harder with age. Eating more collagen through food can support your joints, cut down on swelling, and even slow damage. It strengthens cartilage and tendons, making movement smoother and less painful. According to Harvard's nutrition source, consuming collagen can improve joint, back, and knee pain in some studies. And a review from the National Institutes of Health shows collagen helps with bone and joint issues in clinical trials. Number 6, egg whites. Folks often skip egg whites for collagen since they only have about half a gram. But for us over 60, they're gold. They pack glycine and proline, key amino acids your body uses to build its own collagen. Without them, even collagen-heavy foods won't do much. Docs like Dr. Eric Berg say this helps rebuild cartilage and keep skin firm. Plus, egg whites are light, no fat or cholesterol, great if you're watching your heart or weight. Mix them with other foods here, and you'll feel joints loosen up. 5, fish skin. It's mild and easy to digest, perfect as our stomachs slow down. The collagen absorbs fast and omega-3s fight inflammation, easing that morning knee stiffness. It's gentle to chew, helps hydrate skin, and boosts circulation. Add it to meals for better mobility without heavy eats. 4, fish, especially with skin on. Like salmon or mackerel, it's soft protein that's kind to digestion. The fats calm joint swelling, making walks less achy. It builds muscle for balance, cuts fall risks, and keeps skin supple. Eat it a couple times a week for steady support. 3, beef. Go for cuts like shank or brisket with connective tissue. Slow cook them to release collagen into gelatin. This cushions joints, eases grinding pains in knees or hips. High protein keeps muscles strong against falls, and minerals like iron perk up energy. It's a solid base for staying active. 2, chicken with skin. Thighs or drumsticks are best. The skin and tissues melt into collagen during cooking. Easy on the gut, it repairs cartilage quick, fights stiffness. Lean protein builds leg strength for confident steps, and fats hydrate skin. Stew it up for nourishing meals. 1, bone broth. Simmer bones for hours to get that gelatin, super gentle for seniors. It rebuilds joint padding, soothes guts, and aids muscle repair. Minerals absorb easy, helping you stay strong and steady. Sip it daily for real comfort. Wrapping up, collagen's a game changer for joints. Pair these foods and you'll move better with less pain. Stick with it. You'll notice the difference. Questions? Comment below. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time.